Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara informed the Assembly on December 9 that the state has incurred a loss of 5,474 crore rupees due to cyber fraud over the past 3 years, and the police have recovered 627 crore rupees so far. He said cybercrime has been rising with nearly 52,000 cases reported in 4 years. Parameshwara explained that an amendment to police laws was planned to curb such crimes, but the All India Gaming Federation obtained a stay. The case is now before the Supreme Court and is listed for December 19th. He noted that Karnataka saw over 22,000 cyber fraud cases in 2023, causing losses of 873 crore rupees with 177 crore rupees recovered. In 2024, losses crossed 2,500 crore rupees from about 22,400 cases, and authorities recovered more than 300 crore rupees. In 2025 so far, around 13,000 cases have been reported with losses above 2,000 crore rupees and recoveries of 125 crore rupees. The minister said cyber fraud remains a major challenge nationwide. He added that Karnataka was the first state to set up a dedicated cyber unit led by a DGP and now has 43 cyber police stations under a central command.